Hi all, welcome back to my channel Perfectly Imperfect by Swathi Pala. Hi beautiful friends, how was the lockdown and slow moving to normalcy? Hope you all are healthy and taking all precautions. Healthy food, yoga, pranayam are as important as frequent sanitizing, wearing mask and personal hygiene. It has been 6 months I went to a parlor. Seriously speaking, have been doing facials, manicure, pedicure, everything on my own. Soon I will share those videos. But haircut? No way. I tried my hands on my husband and kids, but women said needs a specialist, isn't it? But in this COVID times, we really need who treats customer safety as their own safety. After much research, I found the Lakme parlor to be the best in safety protocols and stringent following of the same. I'm in Kakinada at my in-laws' place, so it just happened to have one Lakme parlor. Yes, Lakme parlor in Kakinada. A warm welcome, temperature check, Arogya Setu app check, and then online Lakme form. You have to fill this consent form. And then the quick chat with the receptionist. Green tea must needed in these times. My hairstylist finally came, almost in a space suit. I mean, personal protection kit. Yes, different times. I felt safe after seeing my stylist decked up in PPE.
Disposable.
A quick chart again explaining my hair condition and understanding what I need. Single-use kits, I mean use and throw, including scissors, comb, napkins.
Hair wash
Hair wash, maintaining all precautions, no rush as alternate seats are marked, so taking appointment helps. And that's me, much needed haircut after 6 months. I was so impressed with the whole experience. I requested for a quick peep into other facilities for my viewers. Bridal room,
Girl, you look mighty fine. Oh, won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Oh, won't you rub your
facial room,
ఇది 1 యూస్ కి ఫేషియల్ కిట్ మేడం. క్లీన్జింగ్ ఇది డీప్ క్లీన్జింగ్ అండ్ టెంపరింగ్ నేచురల్.
and this is manicure and pedicure room. I couldn't resist myself for getting a pedicure. Again, single use kits, mask, minimum talking, good music. Wow, refreshing and safe. My overall experience is 5 out of 5. I definitely recommend this parlor for any treatments, whether you can go for a facial, haircut, manicure and pedicure. I felt really safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. And I also mentioned the parlor's address in the description. Please do check and let me know your valuable comments in the below section. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ansuya Bharadwaj. For your lifestyle updates, please subscribe to Perfectly Imperfect by Swathi Pala.
Please subscribe to the channel Perfectly Imperfect by Swathi Pala.